Welcome to HubMate Coder. In the previous video we have done the first step, installing Flutter SDK. If you have not seen that video, please watch that video and then come to this video. Now in this video we will set up the Android Studio. So we were here. Now I am going to open the link given here in the new tab, and then click here, download Android Studio, and I have tap there and download Android Studio. Okay, save file. Once your download completes, double tap on the file, I think, and click run. Then press next, install, and once your installation complete, press next and finish. The Android Studio will automatically open. Android Studio should look like something like this. And now we have to go to this configure section and then settings, and this plugin section. In settings you have to search for Flutter, search in my marketplace, and you have to install this. The one plugin came from flutter.dev. Install, and it is showing that the Flutter plugin requires Start plugin to be installed. So just press install. Once the plugin install, it is showing that please restart the IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Just restart the IDE. Android Studio is the IDE. There are several other IDEs like Visual Studio Code and others. I have just restarted Android Studio. Now after restarting Android Studio, you can see there is a button called Start a New Flutter Project. So if you are getting this, then the Android Studio setup has been done. Now in the third step we will set up our Android emulator.